Buenos días, estudiantes. This is Ms. Gonzalez, and here I'm going to give you the instructions for the assignment that you have on September 16th, on Friday, because that day I'm not going to be with you, so you need to work on some assignment that day, okay? You're going to go to Canvas, Honors Spanish 1, and you are going to go to Modules. Here you will find the assignment that is called Clase del Viernes, Septiembre 16. Go there and you will find this. You are going to download this document and you are going to work on all the activities that are presented there. For the activities that require screenshots, add them there. I don't want that you send me screenshots in a different place. Everything is going to be here inside of this Word document, okay? And at the end of the period, you are going to submit your Word document with all the answers, with all the screenshots there, here in this place, okay? And even if you don't finish, submit what you did. The most important is that you work during the whole time of the period. So when you go here, remember also that this is an individual assignment. You can check your notes. You need to submit the assignment today at the end of your period. So now, when you go to the document, you are going to find this. Write your name, your period here. These activities are going to help you to practice all these topics. And this assignment is divided into 8 parts. The first one is the alfabeto, the alphabet. You are going to listen to the letters and write them down. When you finish, send the screenshot here, something like this, okay? So let's see this website. You are going to go here. Let's see, un momentito. We are going to wait until this disappears. Then you are going to click Start.
T.
You listen
T.
the letter and you write it down here. Then you click Next.
R.
You write all the letters that you listen and you have 30 letters. When you finish, send a screenshot. Okay, now let's go to the other part of the alphabet. Here you are going to listen to 3 names of people and you are going to type them here and then you send the screenshot. So you scroll down a little, you wait, some time takes time to go there. Otherwise you just copy here, you go to a different screenshot, paste, and let's see, you can refresh and wait a little until this appears. Let's see. Okay. Hopefully yours is going to appear immediately. Otherwise, you need to wait up for a moment, okay? Now, you are going to go to the second part, that is saludos y despedidas. This is the easiest part. You need to unscramble the Spanish greetings below. For example, this one. I already gave it to you. Hola. Here you need to write down the correct way, etc. For this part, you need to translate the English greeting, the English farewell to Spanish. For example, in this case, it would be something like Hola. I don't want that you answer the questions. I want that you translate them from English to Spanish, okay? Now let's go to the third part, información personal. Here I want that you write incomplete answers. Your information. For example, ¿cómo te llamas? Me llamo María. Okay, something like that. With all of this. Here for your phone number, you can just make it up. And this one is in letters, for example. 9, 2, 1, guión, and the rest of the numbers, okay? In letters. Now let's go to the fourth part of this assignment. Países Hispanos. You are going to go here to this website and you are going to identify Spanish-speaking countries from South America. When you finish, send a screenshot. So you are going to go to visit this link. Start. Here, this is a review. So here you review, you practice. When you are ready, you click play. And now, Bolivia, you need to select which one is Bolivia. Bolivia, por ejemplo, aquí. Now, which one is Argentina? When you finish, send a screenshot. Now let's go to big numbers, large numbers. you are going to listen to 30 numbers and you are going to write them down here in the correct order. So, uno, dos. So, for example, if you listen to 15, it means you are going to write 15 in digits and in letters. 15, okay? If the second number that you listen is 30, so you write it down here, 30, okay? And you visit this video, you watch this video. There are 30 numbers. Now, the second part of the large number is, again, listen to an audio and answer all the questions as it is your personal information. So you are going to go here to this video and then you answer, ¿cuántos años tiene Sofía? You are going to answer like, yo tengo, let's say if Sofía says 15, so you are going to write 15 años, okay? If you already know how to answer as Sofía, so you can say Sofía tiene, let's say she said 15 años, okay? If you already know how to do that, do it. Otherwise, you can do it as is your personal information. Same for William, same for apellido de William, same for Pablo. Let's go to the sixth part. You are going to listen to the speaker and draw a line from the time to the clock. When you finish, send a screenshot. So let's go here. Muy bien. Okay, so again, we need to wait. You need to be patient here and you will find the activity. Let's see. Now, you are going to search on the internet what time it is in these countries, okay? In digits, for example, ¿qué hora es? Let's say that en Argentina son las 5 de la tarde. So you write something like that. Same for the other countries. Almost done. La fecha. You are going to listen to the audio and choose the correct date. Remember that in Spanish our date format is first the day and then the month. When you finish, you send a screenshot. So let's go here.
El 20 de junio.
So you choose which one is el 20 de julio. This one.
El 12 de agosto.
And you choose what is the correct option. Then you comprobar. Of course, in my case, I just got 8% because I didn't do it everything, but I know that you are going to get the highest score and you take a screenshot and you place it here. Then you are going to write down the date to answer to this question. When is your birthday? ¿Qué día es tu cumpleaños? Follow this model. So you have something like this. It means that you are going to write mi cumpleaños es el, you write this is the day and then the month. Okay, like this model. Now, to finish this assignment, el clima, you are going to look at the picture and choose the correct option that best describes the weather. Okay, when you finish, send the screenshot here. Let's go here. So we have this picture. You choose what is the correct option. In this case, soleado. When you finish, comprobar. Of course, I just got this, but you are going to take a screenshot of your results, okay? Finally, you are going to match each picture to the correct weather expression. Send a screenshot here. So this one is very easy. You click here. Oh no. And you need to find what is the correct picture. Oh no. Okay, so you find and you send the screenshot when you finish. And that's it, chicos. So remember again, do this during your period time, send it here in Canvas, and have a nice day. Adios, adios.